What's up, guys? Welcome back to OnChain Revolution. Today, I'm going to be walking you guys through how to set up an X1 wallet. So, X1 is Jack Levin's new chain. It is SVM based, which means it's basically a Solana fork. Solana Virtual Machine is on Ethereum, you have 100 different technical Ethereum forks, right? So, I mean, it doesn't really matter. This is kind of like one of the first ones I've seen really kind of show up on Solana and be that another chain running on SVM. So really excited for this. Actually, I've been in Zen for a long time. I was one of the people who minted in on the MetaMask wallet before you could mint the Zen NFTs and stuff. So I've been following this for a long time. So I'm really excited to kind of jump in here. But to get started, you need a wallet. So we do know that Zendex or XDex, whatever it's called, is going to be dropping soon. So I want to get you guys ready, and it's not as easy as I thought it was. So that's why I decided to make this tutorial. But let me walk you guys through exactly how to do it. Let me bring up Jack Levin's tweet first. He said X1 Mainnet release candidate has launched. Congratulations, everyone. So the Explorer is right here if you guys want to get it. And I'll put all these links in the show notes for you guys. But the first thing you want to do is just head over to x1.xyz, go scroll down on the bottom, and this is where you get the RPC. We're going to need this later, but just we'll always have it. And then you want to head over to backpack.app. So what you want to do is go to download. You want to download that wallet. You'll, obviously new wallet. So you'll need to write down your seed phrase and get it all started, right? And then, after you have all that, you'll have this backpack extension. You'll go up here and, I already did mine, but I'll show you guys exactly how I did it. So this is what your wallet's going to look like. You're going to hit the X there. You're going to go down to settings. You're going to go to Solana. And then you'll see something called RPC connection. You'll click the RPC connection. Yours will be on here. You're going to want to go to here, and then you'll put in what is right here. You'll put that exact in there for my wallet. There it is. So you'll put it right in that wallet right there, and you'll update. I've already done it, so I already have it. It will still stay Solana until Backpack does a full Zen launch, which it's kind of predicted that they will, and it'll probably be easier at that point too. But for right now, you're gonna need to just load it up here. I'm not sure how to get XNT yet, so stay tuned to the channel. And once we do figure out how to get it for you guys, whether it's a faucet or being able to buy it and stuff like that to kind of get started here, I'll teach you guys how to do that. But I just figured I'll get you guys started with a quick tutorial on how to get your wallet set up and everything. So that was really that easy. You can go over here. They got the documentation on everything. X1 Docs. Read through this. Kind of get acquainted to see kind of what's going to happen. I think this is going to be a better version of Pulse Chain. I think the builders from Pulse Chain are going to be building over here. I think this is going to be something pretty big in the future. Very degen. You got to be very degen to be playing with this stuff. So really excited for X1. If you want to run a validator, you can do that. It's a little bit out of my range there, but definitely check it out if you're interested in doing that. And we go live Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. Eastern. So come check us out. If you have any Zen questions, pop it in the live or put it in these comments below. But I'm going to be putting out more Zen content here, more X1 content as we get further, because it's just something I really enjoy. Check out our partners. Got Merlin Chain, one of the best EVM chains in my opinion. You got Agent Hustle, AI super computer. Definitely check agentHustle.ai out. You got Artura.finance, and also not the best place to buy runes or alkanes or even spark tokens, Sats Terminal. Check all those places out. I really appreciate you guys checking out the tutorial, and like I said, I'm going to have a lot more coming for you guys, for you Zen guys, so stay tuned.